Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitriana with student ID 2302040067. In this video, I would like to explain some adjustment that I made in my lesson plan, especially in the sections Organize Students for Learning, Guide Individual and Group Investigation, and Developing and Presenting the Work. These changes were made to integrate ICT tools into learning activities. First, on the stage of organized students for learning, students are first divided into small groups consisting of 4 to 5 students. After forming the groups, the teacher explains that students will complete 3 tasks using interactive and collaborative digital tools. For part A, so students will answer comprehension questions through an interactive quiz using Bamboozle. For part B, students will identify at least 3 key conflicts in the story using Markify. Then for part C, students will discuss and write possible solutions to the conflict, also using Markify. In this stage, the teacher also clarifies the roles within each group in order to encourage collaboration among students. For the next stage is guide individual and group investigation. In this stage, students start working on the task. For part A, students participate in an interactive quiz using Bamboozle. Students work in group and take turns choosing question numbers on the Bamboozle board. Each group discusses the question together before giving their answer. The questions include multiple choice questions related to both the content of the Romeo and Juliet story and the concept of narrative text. If the group answers correctly, they receive points. After each question, the teacher provides feedback and explains the correct answer. This activity helps students review their listening comprehension and also reinforces their understanding of narrative text in a more engaging way. For part B, students conduct a conflict analysis using Markify. In their groups, students access a shared Markify workspace. They identify at least three conflicts in the story by highlighting relevant parts of the text or story summary. After highlighting the conflict, students also write annotation explaining the type of conflict and provide evidence from the story. During this activity, the teacher circulates around the classroom to provide guidance and feedback when necessary. For the developing and presenting the work, in this stage, students continue their group discussion for part C, which focuses on proposing solution to the conflict. Using Markify, each group selects one major conflict from their previous analysis. Then they collaboratively write at least 2 possible solutions that could work. After completing the task, each group submits their work to the teacher. Then a representative from several groups presents their solution to the class. During the presentation, the teacher encouraged students to express their opinion logically. The teacher encouraged students to express their opinions logically and support their ideas with reasoning based on the story. That is all the adjustment that I made so far. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.